HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand a real experiment with an interaction and two main effects. In this experiment, the display shows the effect of gender and voice quality, sexy versus non-sexy, on positive affect, liking. The result shows a pattern of two main effects and an interaction. Overall, the men had higher positive affect for the advertisement because the mean of positive affect, indicated by the blue circle, was higher than the mean positive affect for women, indicated by the red circle. Overall, the positive affect for the sexy voice, indicated by the blue/red square on the right, was higher than the mean of the non-sexy voice, indicated by the blue/red square on the left. In other words, when both genders were combined, people liked the sexy voice more than the non-sexy voice. There is also an interaction because the lines are not parallel. For men, the sexy voice created more positive affect than the non-sexy voice. For women, the sexy voice produces no increase in positive affect compared to the non-sexy voice. Women are not affected by the sexiness of the voice. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.